starting P4, the Malaysian, with his best ever start since he returned to Moto2.
Second road start for me tomorrow. I think at the moment the best qualifying for me in 2020, and I feel really good with the bike. First day was a little bit strange, and second free practice I was last, and then we changed completely the bike, and then in the morning I felt really good in the FP3, and we directly to Q2, and in the qualifying I was a bit nervous because I never been in Q2 directly, and then I say to myself, we try to do our best, and suddenly I saw P3 quite a few minutes, and then P4, and it's difficult. I don't know what happened, but something strange for everybody, I think, for MotoGP also, and difficult to keep the pace very close to the faster time, but we have a race pace, and we will see tomorrow what we can do, and we try to do our best. Looks like I can be there also, but just don't make any mistake tomorrow in the race.
Yeah, when you step down from MotoGP to Moto2, like Hafizh Syahrin did, there is always a lot of expectation on you to really fight for the championship from the start. And Hafizh had a tough start to his Moto2 return, but that's understandable, Matteo. He had to get used to that new Triumph era engine, but he seems to be back to where we expected him to be now.
Yes, absolutely. He's performing better than when he was in MotoGP, for sure, you know, and this Moto2 is helping a little bit compared to the 4-cylinder online, the previous Moto2, because the Triumph 3-cylinder online engine is a little bit more similar to a MotoGP. You have to square the corner and to use the power out of the corner and straight up the bike as fast as possible to use the power of that 3-cylinder online to get the speed, and so Syahrin feels himself comfortable, and he's putting down some performance. I believe that he's still a very good rider, and probably he's still aiming going to MotoGP, and he probably understood that to do that he has to achieve great results in Moto2.
Yeah, absolutely. And let's not forget as well that Hafizh Syahrin is on the speed-up chassis. There aren't many of those on the grid, and that adds an extra complication to it, of course. The majority of
Magazine, the championship leader, is the opposite, feeling really good this morning and ready to go for the